Alright guys, we have this thing fresh from the mail. Let's get this thing opened up. Let's just use our bare hand. Let's just use our bare hands. Get this thing open. We don't have to worry about preserving this box. We have a million of them. Looks like these scissors I brought were useless. Release all my anger for this note arriving yesterday on the box. Alright guys, let's remove all of this. Let's remove all the stuffing. Yeet! Right. Alright guys, let's now get this open. Opening Rooski, you now my Rooski. Alright. Here's the front of box. Here's the back of box. Here's the side of box. Here's other side of box. And here's open of box. Alright, now let's get this all sorted up. Here's all of the parts. Hopefully you guys can see that all well. Here's all of the parts of a quick overview. Alright, now let's get to building. Let's open the first pack. Let's get this thing open. Familiar sound. Sheet 1. Welcome to the electro play lab. Now we will build a module known as Volt E. Time to build the amazing gizmo that is Volt E. If you think this looks like a face, leave a like on this video. New components alert! Volty's body is complete. And now let's do the legs. I'll see you in the next one when I'm working on the feet. Or it could be the